Pyramid schemes often disguise themselves as legitimate business opportunities online. Recruitment incentives can be misleading, promising high returns for minimal effort. Social proof is used to build trust, with fake reviews and testimonials on display. Income claims are exaggerated, creating a false sense of security and potential wealth. Warning signs are often ignored, as the promise of easy money is too enticing. A closer look at the business model reveals a lack of real products or services. Instead, the focus is on recruiting new members with promises of high rewards. Anonymous phone calls and emails can be used to lure in potential victims. A dark laptop desk in a dimly lit room can be the hub of a pyramid scheme operation. Counterfeit market tables and warehouse shelves can be used to store fake products. Data center servers and cloud storage can be used to host fake websites and platforms. Analyzing the warning signs and incentives can help uncover the truth behind the disguise. Pyramid schemes often disguise themselves with fake social proof online. Recruitment incentives are used to lure in new members quickly. Fake reviews and testimonials are created to build trust with potential victims. Counterfeit products are sold on fake marketplaces to appear legitimate. Data center servers host these fake platforms, making them seem real. Anonymous phone calls and emails are used to contact potential recruits. A dark laptop desk with a single screen is all that's needed to operate. Warning signs, like unrealistic income claims, are often ignored. Startup teams with whiteboards and code screens create a false narrative. Warehouses with shelves of packages create the illusion of a real business. Analysis suggests that these schemes rely on psychological manipulation. By understanding these tactics, individuals can better protect themselves. Pyramid schemes often disguise themselves with promises of easy money and wealth. Recruitment incentives are used to lure people into these schemes quickly. Social proof is created through fake reviews and testimonials on various platforms. Income claims are exaggerated to make the opportunity seem more attractive. Warning signs are often ignored due to the promise of high returns. Analysis suggests that these schemes rely on psychological manipulation tactics. A dark laptop desk with a single screen can be the hub of such operations. Anonymous phone calls and messages can be used to recruit new members. Counterfeit markets and fake online stores can be used to create illusion. Data center servers can host numerous fake websites and platforms. Startup teams may use whiteboards to plan and strategize their next move. By understanding these tactics, individuals can better protect themselves from scams. Pyramid schemes often disguise themselves with recruitment incentives and rewards. Social proof is used to create a false sense of security and legitimacy online. Income claims are exaggerated to lure in unsuspecting investors and participants. Warning signs include promises of unusually high returns with little risk involved. Anonymous phone calls and messages can be used to recruit new members secretly. A dark laptop desk with a fake review screen can be a sign of a scam operation. Counterfeit market tables and packages can be used to create a false sense of scarcity. Data center servers can be used to host fake websites and online marketplaces. Startup teams may use whiteboards to plan and strategize their next move quietly. Recruitment incentives can include luxury items and exclusive travel opportunities. Social media can be used to create a false sense of community and social proof. By understanding these warning signs, individuals can better protect themselves from scams. Pyramid schemes often disguise themselves with enticing recruitment incentives. Fake online reviews and social proof are used to build credibility quickly. Income claims are exaggerated to attract new members with promises. Warning signs include consistent demands for payment or package delivery. Anonymous phone calls and emails can be used to pressure individuals. A dark laptop desk with a single chair can be a sign of isolation. Counterfeit markets thrive on fake products and promises of easy money. Data center servers store information on unsuspecting victims of scams. Startup teams with whiteboards full of code can be a front for schemes. Cloud data centers process transactions and hide the true intentions. Analysis suggests that hidden system mechanics drive these disguised operations. By understanding these warning signs, individuals can protect themselves effectively. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.